Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to add reference image. So if you want to add reference image, first you can go to the for view, press space button to move into for view. Go to front view to add the reference in this front view. Click the image plan icon and then open your image. As example, I will use this image. Click open and it be opens in the front view. Now we'll move to the right view. You can use again the image plan tools. Now you can open your image and click open. So you can go back to the perspective and then you can press space buttons to move and it will be automatically add the reference image into the Maya. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to add reference image.